Susanna, where are we going? Where? On the plane. And where is it going to take us?
No, Indian necklace.
Indian necklace?
No, without a plane.
On a plane.
My eye, girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I'm screaming too. There's nothing there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home.
Stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap.
But on that summer night, never could be sweeter than with you.
Are you mad at me for filming?
No.
Okay.
Susanna's perfect for this Grateful Dead song dancing. Got a little hippie dress on. No underwear. This man is well be Woodstock.
This one good.
I don't know what.
And then the second part goes 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, what about number 2?
Sorry, there's no 8 in this one.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Susanna,
We haven't paid yet.
you gotta check out.
Put your diapers up on the counter. She's doing a good job. Yeah.